Hey lovies, welcome to my channel, Craft Away with May. I'm May. Welcome to my old and new subbies. I'm so glad to have y'all here with me in the new year. Alright guys, as the thumbnail show, we're gonna go ahead and jump into some Valentine DIYs. I still haven't got my stuff, y'all. So I was out and about because we had a snowstorm this weekend, my first one, guys. I've experienced snow before, but I've never lived in it. I've never seen it coming down or anything like that. So this was an experience for me. So I do have a little something for you guys at the end. And me and my shenanigans, okay? So as you guys see here, well, this welcome sign, I was looking for stuff to do with you guys. For you guys. And I remember I had some stuff stashed in my trunk. So I had went out and I grabbed this welcome sign. I also had some mason jars, like wooden mason jars in there. Some of my plastic mason jars. So hopefully that'll get me through till my stuff comes, because I had to push the delivery date back from the 9th to the 11th because we're expecting more snow. So I've been just hunkered down in the house and I was going crazy. So anyway, I took this welcome sign that you can find from Hobby Lobby, and I did pick up me some paint from Walmart. I had went to pick up some little stuff for the house, and I was like, let me go over to the crafting section. And I went over there and picked me up some little tidbits and stuff. So, just to make do until I get my stuff. So I know I said I did not need to buy anything else. But y'all, I was having withdrawals. I'm having withdrawals. Like, I just want my stuff. I do. All right, so I went in with some white paint by FolkArt. Then I took some of my burnt umber and I used that as a stain. I also used that to distress the white color, the white paint. And these projects, guys, are really easy, simple, because I just had to do something, anything. So there's no complexity to this at all. So next I had this heart garland here that had some cute little Highland cows on them and these felt hearts on them with some stitching to them that I had found at Hobby Lobby. And so I grabbed that, and I'm gonna, as you see there, I'm taking the two hearts that beat as one. Is that how that song go? Okay, I'm telling my age. Isn't it two hearts that beat up? I don't know. All I remember is from Days of Our Lives. I think it was two hearts that beat as one. I don't know. Anyway. So I'm taking the two hearts. I'm going to use that to cover the O, so you can still tell it says welcome. And I'm just hot gluing them on, guys. There's no razzle, no dazzle here. This is just your basic little rustic welcome sign. So then I'm taking the two Highland cows from there. So it was so cute with these because they had a little rose in their mouth. And so I wanted to be a boy and a girl. And so I took the rose off of one of them, but you can still see the stem kind of sticking through his mouth. But I'm like, okay, nobody's going to be paying that close attention. Well, you might now that I said it. But anyway, I ripped the rose off the other one, and I'm just going to glue them down to this sign, guys. And that's going to be pretty much it for this project. Yes, I am out of frame. Because apparently I could not rip that off. Well, I could, but what I was trying to do, I didn't want to mess it up, which I still end up leaving like a big glob of glue on there. But we're going to cover that up. Nobody's going to see it. And so then I was like fixing the little hairdo there because they had the cute little eye poking through. I was like, oh, they are so adorable. So once I do that, I don't know. I was just fussing around with it, I guess, at this point. I don't know, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, okay, there we go. We're back on track. I don't know why I was making it more than what it needed to be. So I just used some hot glue because really that's all I have. Well, I have some tacky glue, but I didn't think this really needed any tacky glue. But anyway, oh, and I have a glue stick too. So, but y'all will see that later. Anyway, okay. So that's pretty much it, y'all. That's what I did here. Like, so easy and simple. Like this, you know, it's just something to do. I just had to get my crafting fix on. Had to get my Joneses out. Like, I had to do it all. Everything. Just needed to craft something. Anything. Just needed to craft. Oh my goodness. I did not know I was so addicted to crafting. I miss it so much. I miss my stuff. Is that weird? Am I weird for missing my stuff? I want my stuff. I want it here. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. It's so adorable. I think it needs a flower or something, but I didn't have enough for that. But anyway, that's something I can always do when my stuff comes. All right. So next, we have this little cutting board that I found at Walmart as well. And I have some eucalyptus picks. Got those from Walmart as well. And I'm just going to take it. Like, I left this in its natural color because I am going to be using some window clings on this. And once I put them on, I know I'm jumping ahead because that's what I do. But afterwards, I had to think about what I was going to say. After I did this, I was like, maybe I should have painted this in like a pink or a red or something other than the natural color. But at the same time, I like the natural color. So you guys can let me know. Should I have painted it or should I have not painted it? I don't know. I kind of like it in the natural color. So what I did was I just took some of my jute twine, wrapped it around the eucalyptus pick to make it look like it was a little bunch of little greenery. I don't know why I did that, but I did. And so then I had these window cleans that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and I picked up some from Dollar Tree. And I think I used the one from Dollar Tree on this one, if I'm not mistaken. I could very well be mistaken. Nope, it was a Dollar Tree one. So I'm just going to take a couple pieces of the window cling and just put them on there. I think I used the one that says Love Grows Here, if I'm not mistaken. So at first I was going to take this little pink rose because it was a pink rose. You know, y'all know how I feel about my pink. And so then I was like, I'm not feeling that. No, I'm not feeling that. So I'm like, let's see what else is on here. So then I take a heart, I think I take the heart, or I don't know what I take off of here. But I end up taking the heart and the butterfly. That's what I do know. I end up taking the pink rose and putting it back where I got it from. I didn't really put it back where I got it from. I just put it back where there was open space. But anyway, this is where I go in and I put the Love Grows Here. And then I was still trying to make that rose work, which it actually would have worked. But I wanted the heart and the butterfly because y'all know, if you've been here any time with me, I love bows, hearts, and butterflies. I miss my cat the Joe bows too. I miss my stuff, y'all. I want my stuff. Oh my goodness. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm searching for. Is a heart. So I take the heart, I lay it down, then I go and then I grab a butterfly. And this was super cute, like super, just really simple, something I could put up in the kitchen, and everything, or somewhere, you know, I don't know anything. It's hard for me to get myself together. I don't have like a staging area. I don't know. I just feel all out of sorts. That is so weird to me. But that's it for this one. guys. If I had a bow, I would have put a bow on it, but I didn't have a bow, so we just had to let it ride like this. So what I'm doing is taking this glue stick. This is one of the Eileen's glue sticks. I do like using these. I just discovered them probably about a year and a half ago, maybe 2 years ago, and I like these glue sticks. It's right up there with the purple color Elmer's glue stick. It's right up there with it. I like it. It gets real tacky real fast, and I like that. So I just give it a nice good dose on the back, and I just position that where I want it as I had it laid out. And yeah, that's all I do for this, guys. Like, I mean, I know it's I know it's not a whole whoop to do, but I'm doing something, guys, because I want to hang out with you guys. I miss you so much. I really do. I miss the 2 videos a week. Hopefully I'll be able to get another one out this week for you guys. I'm hoping and praying. But it may be just one item, maybe 1 or 2. If I can get 3, I'll definitely do 3. But, you know, hopefully I'll get a second one out this week, just because I miss the comments. I miss talking with you guys and laughing with you guys. I'm thinking about doing a live, but I don't know what we would do. Like, will we just talk? You know, leave me a comment. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to do a live. If we'll do a live, and should we craft something? Well, I don't know how to set the camera up to craft, so it could just be us running our mouth. I don't know. Y'all will have to let me know if you want to do a live. We can definitely do that. But yes, so we're gonna jump into project number 3. Super easy, super fast. Have this grapevine wreath in the shape of a heart that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. And this one is so simple, guys, as all the projects have been today, depending on when you see this, when it goes up. But I'm just taking some of this greenery that I got from Walmart, and I'm just gonna start layering it on the heart, guys. And I gotta tell you, you know, I've told you guys before, if you've been here with me, I do not know how to decorate wreaths. So I literally created a whole little forest at the bottom of this heart, okay? Just kept layering and layering and layering and layering. It got really thick, okay? It got thick at the bottom of this wreath. But I think it came together very cute. It was very, very... it was giving me kind of cottage core vibes, I guess, or cottage chic. I don't know. It was just giving me cottage vibes. So I did speed it up because I was greenery happy. Like, I was just layering. I wasn't even spanning it out or up. I was just packing it on there. Like, it was thick, thick little forest. Through the trees. Okay, so then I had these, I think these are peonies. I don't know. Are these cabbage roses? I don't know. But they were pink and white, or pink and off-white, and I thought they were cute, so why not add that to the top of the forest? That's what I did. So then I had this xoxo sticker because Lovies, you know, hugs and kisses, xoxo. All right, so I was trying to decide where I wanted to put it, and then I was like, well, maybe I'll add a string to it, but I didn't want that. It was going to take away from the look, so I decided, you know what, we're going to move that xoxo over to the side. Did add some hot glue, didn't show you guys that, but some hot glue was added there, but you guys will see it in the final reveal that's coming up right now. And if by chance you have a favorite of today, Lovies, let me know. I want to hear about it. Aren't those little honey cows cute? I think they're absolutely adorable. And if you guys are still here riding with me, Lovies, thank you so much. I appreciate each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. As I always say, you know, without you guys, there would not be no Craft Away with May channel. So I'm so grateful for each of you that come back each week to hang out with me. I thank you for your patience as I get through all this crafting, my missing my crafting stuff. Okay. But if you haven't already done so, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting, because you know how I feel about those comments. Now, here I got something to share with y'all. So here we go. Came out to my driveway just to start my car because it keeps freezing, I guess, the battery or whatever keeps freezing. But it's cold out here, y'all. So cold, okay? Yes, I got my hearts. I know I love my hearts and stuff. And the butterflies. It's cold. Like cold, okay? Like cold. Ooh, your girl is cold. But yeah, I just came out here to let the car run for a hot second. I'm gonna take my behind back in the house because it's cold. Hugs and kisses. XOXO. Bye.